Hello, Ethos Veterinary Health. Welcome to League, where we care about your health and well-being just as much as you do. My name is Keely Jones, and I'm a principal of Client Solutions, and I've been working with Ethos Veterinary Health over the last several months to implement League for your team and the Ethos community at large. So I'm excited to be here today to walk through this presentation. I'm going to be going over League, the digital solution and application, the features and functionality, and then I will also be walking through a demonstration of the application so you can understand how to use it once it's in your hands. This presentation should last from about 20 to 30 minutes, so thank you for watching. So here at League, our mission is to empower people to live healthier, happier lives every day. And this is one of the core reasons that Ethos decided to partner with League, because they too believe in this mission and want to empower you and the Ethos employees at large to have better access to healthier, happier lives, and are doing that through the implementation of League in our software so that you are equipped to have access to health and resources all within a digital application, which is also available on desktop, but more importantly, available at your fingertips. So League has designed health and benefits in the way that they were meant to be, easy to digest, spanning all of the benefits that Ethos has provided to you. And we offer day-to-day tools to help you live a healthy lifestyle and one-on-one advice and support when you need it the most. So we do that through a couple of key features that I'll talk through at a high level, and then we'll look at in a moment. We have a League personalized digital wallet in which you can view all of the benefits that you're enrolled in, as well as additional benefits that Ethos has offered to employees. A personalized home feed, which you'll be able to see your in-app notifications, the health programs that you're participating in, latest content and relevant offers. There's a health profiles section of the app in which you can enter some information about your overall health goals and what you're looking to work towards, so that League can better customize and cater content to help you reach those goals. We have a health concierge team in which you can log into the chat section of the app to get speedy live chat answers and support for any health and well-being questions and concerns. We have a life market in which you can get exclusive content from the Well, which is an area of the app that has free products and blogs, recipes, classes, etc., as well as other products that aim to support your unique lifestyle. We have health programs in which you can participate in goals or challenges anywhere from 7 days to a couple of weeks to a full month that help motivate you and provide you with reward points when you complete daily activities that help you reach those goals. Finally, we have a customer care section of the app. Again, it's a chat feature in which you can talk to a team of our benefits concierge professionals who've been trained on your benefits and can answer questions specific to the benefits that you're enrolled in. So here at League, it's all about you. The application is really customized to meet your health and wellness goals. So let's see how. The personalized home feed is going to be the first stop in the application. So this is your one stop for your health and benefits experience. Everything you see is tailored to your unique needs. So if you were to open the application next to a colleague, your daily feed would be different because you may have different health and wellness goals. You'll be able to see notifications, the daily health programs you're participating in, if you're enrolled in any of them. They'll have weekly wellness tips and product spotlight offers. As you scroll down, you'll see things that are being highlighted from the Well. There's blog articles and information and research that help debunk common myths around health. This is particularly important as we're in the midst of a pandemic, and so there's a lot of information and research out there, and so it's important to have the right data in front of you. From the homepage, you can also navigate to the life market, health programs, customer care, and your digital wallet. With a single tap, you can manage your profile and get instant live chat support to one of our virtual care teams. The personal health profile is a section of the app in which we ask a few simple questions about your health and what your goals are. And so some of the questions are specific to your lifestyle, specific to your diet and nutrition, specific to things that are challenging for you, things that are a part of your regimen or routine, areas of your life that you want to work on or that are core focus of your current well-being. And so this helps lead to personalize your health experience with programs, tips, and content tailored to your unique needs. This is also a great place for you to be able to track your goals and your progress. We do not share this data with anyone. So what's notable about League is the data lives in League, but it does not get shared back to your employer at an individual level. So we'll never share that information. And we do not share this information with carriers either at an individual level. So this data is really about you and making sure that we are providing you content that is specific to your health and wellness goals. The health program section of the application is a section in which we have several different health programs that you can participate in that range from diet and nutrition to financial health, mental health. There's family health, there's fitness and exercise, several different types of programs that you can elect to participate in. And you'll go through a series of goals or activities. Some are daily, some are weekly. When you finish or complete these activities, you check it off and you earn points that are redeemable in our life market for products. So the idea being that you're incentivizing yourself and your health goals and able to participate in these programs just with access to the application and holding yourself accountable to those goals. The life market is the portion of the application in which we have products that are offered. They fall under different categories of move, mind, beauty and personal care, nourish, healthcare, family experiences, social good. And the idea being that we've partnered with vendors that we believe in, their products we can vouch for. They are free of chemicals. They aim to support healthy and well lifestyles, and have partnered with League to offer products in the life market with the hopes of supporting your health and wellness goals. So let's talk a little bit about the virtual care team. So here at League, we have a whole wealth of people that are trained behind the application, who are actual people. They are not robots, and they care about your health just as much as we do. You have the ability to get help finding a health practitioner. You can make lifestyle changes. You can talk to them about the benefits that you're enrolled in to understand some of the lingo. There's quite a few different ways to utilize this care team. The care team is available Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern, Saturday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern. We do have some folks that are available online in the off hours for those who are outside of the Eastern to Pacific time range. The care team it's free, it's confidential. We have registered nurses behind these handles. We have care navigators, and again, they've been trained on your benefits. So if you have a question about something that's in network versus out of network, what does a deductible mean? How can I find an orthodontist within my zip code? That is what this team is here to provide you with. When you open the application, right at the bottom of the app, if you're an iPhone user, it'll be where what you usually click for your home screen. You'll see there's a little purple heart that says Get Care. And so if you click on that Get Care icon, you'll be able to find self-serve resources and one-on-one support. Because we are in the midst of a pandemic, you'll see some content related to COVID. And so if you have questions about, if you've been exposed to someone who has COVID, or if you think you're at risk, you can chat with someone in real time to talk that through and figure out what your next step is. Our care navigation team is there to help you with navigating to particular physicians or specialists that are in your network and part of your plan. So let's say you're enrolled in a Blue Cross Blue Shield PPO plan, and you've recently moved and you want to find a specialist or a specific type of practitioner within your area. You can go ahead and reach out to our care navigator team, let them know what you're looking for, give them some guidelines or some requirements, so to speak, and that team is able to search in your network and provide you with recommendations that are in network, affordable, high quality, and within your area. We do have registered nurses behind the application. So the idea being that we provide advice on any health-related topic, including symptoms, treatment options, and care directly from a registered nurse. We've grown this team quite extensively in the last several months as we're finding that many people are not going to doctor's offices as often as they would be pre-pandemic. And so again, if you have a rash on your elbow, or you have a teen that's struggling with mental health, or you're experiencing signs of anxiety or perhaps a panic attack, but are not quite sure what that means, and you want to reach out to someone, this is your go-to. So we please use our chat feature to reach out to the customer care and the care navigation team so they can support you in real time. As I mentioned, it's all live people. So these are care experts that can answer questions. They can also answer questions about your dependents. So if you have people enrolled in your plan and you want to ask questions about them and their care, you're able to do so. All right, and then just real briefly, I'm going to touch on some of the League COVID-19 resources. So every once in a while, you'll have what we refer to as a COVID-19 pulse check nudge. So you'll receive an optional check-in to share your current sentiment, which enables the League team to direct you to the right resources to support you during this time. And so if it's a one touch from 1 to 5, how are you feeling? And if you click 1 and you're not feeling so good, it'll get you right to the health concierge team. So that's our team that has registered nurses available. If you click 2 to 5, which means that you're not feeling as poor, then we encourage you to participate in a health program, or read up on a blog, or take on another health or wellness item that is, or resource that's available within the application. Within the application, again, you can click on that Get Care button. It'll take you to a screen with some options. There's a direct option for Get Support with COVID-19. If you're showing symptoms, if you're suffering from anxiety, feeling stressed, dealing with depression, anything that is specific to what's happening in our current world, feel free to reach out, and we can drive you to the right places. We partnered with the Cleveland Clinic and are up to date on the most current research as it relates to the CDC, and we'll pivot you to the right resource in the right directions so that you can get care and be supported during this time. It's one of the core features of the League application. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and look at the League app. All right, so here I am in the League app, and you'll see that I am from the home screen. There's a few health programs that are being recommended for me. Some of them fall under the category of mental health, fitness and exercise, and a couple of other ones. And if those don't quite fit what I'm looking for, I can scroll down and I can browse health program categories. So let's say I'm interested in diet and nutrition. I'd go ahead and click on diet and nutrition, and it would show several different programs that are all underneath diet and nutrition. It will tell you the length of the program, how many points you can be rewarded for participating in the program, and then subsidiary programs are listed down below. So there's several to choose from, and we want to make sure that we're participating in the ones that make sense for you and your goals. If I wasn't quite sure what to participate in, I could go ahead and reach out to a health concierge team member to get a recommendation. Going back to the home screen, if I continue to scroll down, there's going to be blogs, there's going to be our weekly dose of wellness. So these are curated weekly. You can look at our past content and blogs, and there will be highlighted offers as well. If I navigate over to the wallet section of the application, this is where I'm going to see the benefits that I am enrolled in. So I'm going to navigate to my the medical plan that I'm enrolled in. I'm enrolled in the Preferred Blue PPO plan. I have my policy ID, the name of the plan, as well as information about what is in network, deductibles and out-of-pocket maximums, out-of-pocket max information, some some providers and services information, as well as drug coverage information for both in-network and out-of-network. Let's say that I'm not quite sure what some of these terms mean. We have linkable articles on Insurance Lingo Made Easy. So if there's a question about what a deductible is or how it works, or what the difference between in-network or out-of-network is, what a copay is, all of these things are clickable and can take you to a quick digestible link to what those descriptors. From the actual wallet card, you can also click to the actual website of the carrier. So if you wanted to go right there, you can also view the full summary of benefits and coverage. So it will link you to the SBC in case you wanted to look at some details about the plan. If you don't want to look at details about the plan, but you still want to find a specific piece of information, this is a great reason to reach out to our customer care team. So if you had a question about a specific service that you wanted, that you are hoping is covered, or if there's, if you're in treatment and want to understand what the payment is going to be or the estimate is, you can read through the full coverage booklet or reach out to our customer care team. Navigating away from my medical card, you'll see that the other cards are going to be specific to the benefits that you're enrolled in. So I've got my dental plan, my vision plan. I'm enrolled in a health savings account, and then there's a couple of other insurance and protection benefits that I'm enrolled in. So you'll be able to navigate all to those enrolled benefits within your wallet. And we're looking at the desktop version right now, but this is also available in the mobile section, or excuse me, in the mobile application. One thing to note is typically I often show up at my office without my physical card. So you'll have your medical ID on your medical card that you can use when making appointments. All right, so we're back in the health program section. If I was to navigate to the health profile, you can see I have not completed my health profile yet. It takes about 6 to 8 minutes to complete. And again, this helps League understand what your health and wellness goals are. And so I would begin and build my health profile. I'd answer some of those questions. And if I decided that I wanted to press pause on completing this, I could do so. So let's say I'm in the middle of something. I'm going to go ahead and fill out this answer, but then I'm going to X out. And I'll come back to this. It will save it and let me come back to it later. Once I complete this, I'll get 10,000 reward points that I can use in the life market. We'll briefly jump over to the life market section of the application, in which you can see the products and the vendors that we've partnered with to offer some goods and some goodies. These vendors are vendors that have relationships with League, but they also have their own own websites and such, but they've offered discounted or best rates to League members. And so I encourage you to scroll through and see if there's anything that fits your health and wellness related needs. And the reward points can be used there, but you can also use your credit card. So if there's items in there that you'd like to purchase, you're welcome to do so on your own. The chat section of the application is where you'll reach out to our virtual care team. So you'll see you have access to the care navigator, registered nurse, or customer care. You can reach out to any of these teams depending upon what you need. They will get you to the right place. So if you're not sure, if your question is, you're not quite sure if you should be reaching out to a care navigator or a customer care agent, that's okay. Go ahead and start the chat and just let them know what you're looking for, and they will either be able to provide you with an answer or pivot you to the next team. One thing I'll note is that if you do reach out off hours, a message will pop up in which you'll be able to enter an email, or excuse me, draft an email and go ahead and send over to our customer care team. Oops. Looks like I'm in the queue. So our chat is typically pretty fast and responsive, but maybe blocked up at the moment. All right, so navigating away from this, last but not least, this right-hand section of the application is where it is intended to give you a quick touch to anything that is in the moment. So if you need to get support with COVID, it'll offer, it'll bring you to a few questions related to COVID so that we can get you the right, direct you in the right location or direct resource. If you need medical attention, again, we'll try and drill down into what that is so that we can better provide service to you. If you want to make lifestyle changes, there's going to be some categories around what lifestyle changes are typically the ones that our members need support and guidance with. And this will help us make sure that we're providing you with the right programs and the right resources to address those lifestyle changes. If you want to find what you're covered for, you can hit that section of the app to go to your wallet and learn more from the Help Center and the Get Help Finding a Practitioner, as well as visiting the Help Center. The Help Center will provide you with quite a bit of information about about how to use the application, but then also on understanding your benefits. So if there's anything that you have questions about that is health and benefits related, you're welcome to navigate to that section of the app. All right, and that is it for today. We appreciate the time that you've spent. We're very excited about working with the Ethos team. We look forward to seeing you in the application. If you have any questions, please email help@league.com. You can also reach out to our Help Center. We look forward to seeing you in the application. You should have an invite to League in your inbox. If you don't, reach out to help@league.com or it's on its way. We look forward to seeing you in the app.